Hello, Keiser University's admin, faculty, and students. I am Manny Mair with One-to-One Fitness, Soldier Rush, fitness on a mission where we support our veterans and first responders. I am here today for your Keiser University kickoff cardio program. That's right, we have a cardio program designed for everyone, for beginners, intermediate, and advanced. This is a running program, but you can utilize this running program for walking, jogging, running, and you can even modify it to utilize it for biking as well. So we have something in store for everyone. So for beginners, I want to tell you, on a Monday, I want you to go ahead and do like a run, walk for 1.5 miles. So your program is going to be pretty basic, like a Monday through Saturday. Just nice, easy walking, jogging, whatever you can do for 1.5 miles. We'll pick it up a little bit on a Sunday with like a 30-minute walk. I'm going to describe to you what all the different aspects of the workout mean in a little bit. So intermediate, we're going to step it up a bit. On a Monday, we're going to rest. On a Tuesday, we're going to do a 3-mile run. On a Wednesday, we're going to do some speed training. We're going to do like a 5x400 meter sprint. On a Thursday, we're going to do another 3-mile run. Friday, rest. Saturday, 3-mile run. And Sunday, 5-mile run. All right. Now for you advanced folks, okay. Monday would be something like a 3-mile run. Tuesday would be a 5x400 meter sprint. Wednesday would be a rest or easy run. Thursday is a 30-minute tempo run. And Friday would be a good day to rest. Saturday, 4-mile run fast. And Sunday, you got a 60-minute run. All right, to kind of break down what these different things mean, run would be an easy pace, one that you can have a conversation with your running partner. But remember to maintain that social distance, okay? You don't want to wear a mask, so just maintain some sort of social distance while you're doing your run if you're going to be partnering up. And like I said, it should be conversational pace. Try to cover the distance. If you can't, at least get close to it. Fast runs, all right. This is where you're gonna go ahead and pick up the speed a little bit, maybe a little bit faster than what your 5K speed might be. So when you're doing your 200 or 400 meter sprints, you wanna go ahead and go a little bit faster than what you would normally run by. So at this kind of a pace, you wouldn't necessarily want to have a conversation with someone because it probably wouldn't be so easy. All right, now for your long runs should be nice, easy pace. To be able to have a conversation, you don't want to worry about too much the distance. You just want to worry about finishing the time, okay? If you want to have some water while you're doing it, if you want to run, if you want to jog, you know, just go at a nice, easy pace. Just think about making sure that you can accomplish the distance. Taking the scenery around you, try different paths from time to time so you can enjoy your easy run, okay? And this would be a great one to do with a partner as well. All right, interval training, okay? This is where you're going to improve your speed, all right? This is kind of like the fast run, but this is more so the one where you're going to be running the 200 and 400 meter sprints, okay? And like I said, those runs, you want to make sure you're going a bit faster than you would in a 5K. So you're going to run for 200 meters, and you're going to want to walk, jog for another 200 meters for recovery, all right? The workout's going to specify, and don't worry, you'll be able to check out all this information I'm talking to you about inside the post. So just make sure you follow Keiser University's social media, and you'll be able to have all this information that I'm sharing with you today in detail. So you'll be able to go through your beginner program, your intermediate, and your advanced week after week. All right, let's talk about a tempo run. A tempo run is a buildup of a slow run, 5 to 10 minutes. Then you want to go ahead for another 5 to 10 minutes and go fast and then slow down towards the end for 5 to 10 minutes. So it's going to kind of be a little like this. You know, build up, okay, fast, then go ahead and cool down in the end. Okay, and racing, when all this coronavirus stuff is over and we can get out there and start doing group events and stuff like that, like 5Ks and 10Ks, that's going to be a perfect opportunity for you to go ahead and test your fitness level as to what you've achieved during the KU Kickstart program. All right, so you're going to be able to get out there and run a 5K or a 10K and test what you've been doing during your time at home, working at home, and going to school at home on social media through KU's program. Okay, so this program is designed for you to keep your body in motion. Okay, it's very, very important that you understand that all of the programs that I'm giving to you, you need to modify them for yourself, okay? This is not a prescription for you. This is something, a guideline for you to keep your body in motion, and I'm here to motivate you along the way, okay? So utilize this as a tool and modify it however way you need to do to fit your health and fitness needs and your level of fitness as well. Again, I am Manny Mair from One-to-One Fitness, Soldier Rush, Fitness on a Mission. Make sure you like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And during the week, we have many other live programs going on. Just check out the social media below and we'll have all the details for you. Have an amazing day. Hoorah.